Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook deer tenderloin to perfection. First, let's prepare the meat. Begin by carefully trimming away any silver skin and excess fat from your deer tenderloin. This step is crucial for tenderness. Next, pat the tenderloin completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a fantastic crust when searing. Finally, season the meat generously on all sides with coarse salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you love, like fresh rosemary or thyme. This foundational seasoning builds incredible flavor. Now, let's achieve that perfect sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, over medium-high heat and add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place the seasoned tenderloin in the hot pan. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side, allowing a beautiful, deep golden brown crust to form. Don't forget to use tongs to sear all the smaller sides, and ends for consistent browning and maximum flavor. After searing, it's time to finish cooking and ensure maximum juiciness. Transfer your seared tenderloin to a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook until the internal temperature, measured with a meat thermometer, reaches 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a delicious medium rare. Once it hits your desired doneness, remove it from the oven and, this is vital, let it rest for at least 10 minutes on a cutting board. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the meat incredibly tender. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, slicing and serving. After its crucial rest, slice the tenderloin against the grain into beautiful 1/2 inch thick medallions. Slicing against the grain ensures each bite is wonderfully tender. Arrange the perfectly cooked venison on a warm platter and serve it immediately with your favorite side dishes, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a rich reduction sauce. Enjoy the lean, flavorful, and incredibly tender deer tenderloin you've expertly prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.